everyone, and welcome to another FFL at Home Edition video. I hope you are all well on this Valentine's weekend. Alright, so I have my daughter Michelle here to assist me in this video. I wanted to talk to you all about the wonderful benefits of older kids reading to their younger siblings. When older kids read to their younger siblings, they have the opportunity to practice their oral reading and build their confidence. By using books that are at a lower level to practice reading aloud, older kids have a safe space to practice fluency. Also, older kids act as a model for their younger siblings. So for the younger child, they have the wonderful opportunity to have their big brother or big sister as a reading role model. Also, younger kids can listen to stories that are of a higher reading level that they can't read on their own. Younger kids can listen to their big brother or sister use expression, and they can ask questions. A wonderful bond is created between siblings when they read with each other. If they aren't in the mood to read to one another, that's okay too. Alright, so let's get the whole family involved, and we're going to read a book that everyone will enjoy. Let's give it a shot with Snuggle Puppy. So the book we're going to read is Snuggle Puppy, A Little Love Song by Sandra Boynton. Now this one is a little bit different because it's a song that we're going to sing. So before we start that, let's do a picture walk. So let's go ahead and turn to the first page. So what do you think is going on in this picture? What do you think, Michelle?
I think they're cooking something.
So judging by the bowl and what's on Snuggle Puppy's nose, what do you think they're gonna cook?
Food.
Alright, so let's look at the ingredients. We have butter, sugar, eggs, flour. So what could they possibly be making? What do you think?
Cake.
Probably cake? Alright, so it looks like Snuggle Puppy is about to sing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start singing this song. You ready? Alright, so let's turn to the first page. Ready? Alright. Well, I have a thing to tell you and it won't take long. The way I feel about you is a kind of a song. It starts with a new and ends with a kiss. And all along the middle it goes something like this. It goes, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Fuzzy little snuggle puppy, I love you. I say, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Ooh, I love you. Kiss. Now I wanted just to tell you and it didn't take long. The way I feel about you is a kind of a song. I started with ooh, I gave you a kiss. I hope you like the middle, now we'll end like this. Alright, so whisper. Ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Now loud. Ooh, I love you. And a big smooch. Alright, so for our Valentine's Day special song, go ahead and grab your scarves. Alright, and so our song goes something like this. You guys ready? Alright, you ready, Michelle?
Yes.
Alright, put your scarf on your heart, on your heart. Put your scarf on your heart, on your heart. Put your scarf on your heart. What a lovely way to start. Put your scarf on your heart, on your heart. Put your scarf on your knee, on your knee. Put your scarf on your knee, on your knee. Put your scarf on your knee, and you'll both be full with glee. Put your scarf on your knee, on your knee. Put your scarf on your toes, on your toes. Put your scarf on your toes, on your toes. Put your scarf on your toes, now move it to your nose. Put your scarf on your toes, on your toes. Put your scarf on your head, on your head. Put your scarf on your head, on your head. Put your scarf on your head, now shake it round instead. Put your scarf on your head, on your head. All right, good job. To make a ladybug Valentine, you will need the supplies sent in the mail. You should have 3 sheets of paper, 1 black, 1 white, and 1 red. You'll also need scissors, glue, crayons, or markers. First, we are going to trace our ladybug body on the black paper. Then go ahead and cut the outline. Save the scraps of black paper for later. Next, take the white paper and fold in half. Then fold the sides to meet in the middle. We'll do the same for the red paper. Next, place the white paper inside the red and line it up and fold over to where you can't see the white. Then you can draw the heart outline, making sure to not cut the folds. After you cut your heart, you can trim it to get the exact heart shape you want. Then you'll want to glue your heart to your ladybug. Take out the white paper and trim off the sides. You and your child can start writing your Valentine letter. Next, you'll want to take the black paper and cut small hearts for your ladybug's wings. Then go ahead and glue those on. You're all done. Now you have a cute Valentine to give to someone special. As another option, you can use mystorybook.com to create a digital Valentine to send to someone special. If you need a refresher, you can watch the tutorial video and I'll link it in the description box below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day! Bye!